Hi, so welcome to Freddy's HCAL Hadronic Calorimeter game. There's a banner showing an image of the HCAL there. The HCAL basically measures the energy of protons and neutrons as they travel through it. You can see that in the first banner is put there. And to do this, it basically has layers of steel and something called scintillator, which it travels through. So it travels through the layers of steel, has nuclear interactions causing the emittance of particles. And then as these particles travel through the scintillator, these reduce light, which is then absorbed. So this quick game basically represents the fact you're jumping between the different layers of steel and scintillator as you're travelling through the HCAL. This represents your path as a particle travelling through the HCAL, and it's quite a fun way to explain it. Then you get to this absorber, and that basically absorbs the light particles in order to measure their energy. So you've successfully traversed through the Hadronic Calorimeter, and now we have this HCAL game. So this just explains the instructions of the game. Sorry, HCalCoaster. This explains the instructions of how to use the roller coaster. But basically, in this coaster, you're going to be a particle travelling through the various layers of the HCAL as you learn about it. So this board here explains how it works. So you're travelling through the layers of steel and scintillator. One of many particles travelling through it after the interaction in the Atlas detector. And of course this will be to measure your energy. That's how the HCAL works. So first, so I didn't manage to record it all in one shoot, so we're going to have to get back on the minecart here. Here we're travelling through the different layers of steel and scintillator. Then we get to here where it basically explains that we're producing all of this light as we're interacting with the scintillator, so that's extra light particles being produced, or extra shower of particles as they interact with the steel. Then we have an extra banner saying that the particles shower, the extra particles produced, then combined, and this allows us to measure the energy. So here, as we go down this next leg of the coaster, see that the light is produced from that flash, creating this electrical, this energy, which we then absorb as we get to the end, and that basically explains how the Hadronic Calorimeter works. It goes a bit fast, so it's quite difficult at the moment, but Freddy is making a couple of upgrades, and you see we've got this photo of us travelling. So we'd like to see more interesting ideas which explain how the different components of the Atlas detector work in inventive ways.